I got sent this link to this video. There's a young lady on here by the name of Gracie. Well, she's not on here, but she was in the video. And apparently 5 other kids showed up to the job, recording, sniggling and giggling. Showed up to the job, thinking they was going to whoop her ass. Miss Gracie, by herself, on her job. Y'all gonna learn to stop coming up to people got doggone jobs with the foolishness. These teenagers showed up to Gracie's job. Gracie was by herself. Thought they was gonna beat on Gracie. The way Gracie snatched old girl up, then slammed her on the ground by her hair. The girl landed neck first. I swear, oh God, she did. Okay? The girl landed neck first. And then Gracie proceeded to jump on top of her and get the throwing blows. Bam, bam, bam. Then the other girl, separate them. The other girl tried to pull Gracie off by her hair. Why she did that? Why you did that, girl? You should have said, I get you as being a good friend, trying to help your own girl out from that ass whooping. But then she snatched the other girl. She tried to snatch little Miss Gracie by her hair. And Miss Gracie turned around and proceeded to wallop that girl. Y'all came there thinking y'all was going to jump her. Y'all came there not knowing the punch and the pack, the powerful punches that come behind Gracie's little fist. Y'all came there not knowing that Gracie's a savage. And she beat y'all for everything she had. She beat the dog poo-poo out of you. Y'all gonna learn to stop showing up the people got doggone job with the foolishness. Thinking she was by herself. The only thing you did was recorded your own ass whooping. You recorded your friend ass whooping. You recorded your ass whooping. And basically recorded everybody who came there to come and fight her. Y'all recorded y'all getting y'all ass whooped by one narrow girl. Because Gracie was narrow. She was skinny. Whew, Jesus. Y'all gonna stop running up on these people on their job. Thinking you was gonna do something. Now, if I was Gracie or Gracie Peoples, I would have charges pressed on y'all. Because y'all came there on her job with the foolishness. So I would have made it so that not only did you leave with an ass whooping, but you left with some charges too. Good job, Gracie, with defending yourself. They came there thinking they was gonna beat Gracie ass. Lord fix it, Jesus. Ooh. I hope this is a valuable lesson, young people, young ladies that walked in there thinking y'all was gonna fight. Know your opponent. Know who y'all fixing to fight. Okay, because she surprised the hell out of y'all. She surprised the hell out of y'all. Oh, that was good. She shit up y'all ass. And you was a dummy who sat there and filmed your ass getting whooped. Whoo, God. Oh. You was a dummy who sat there and filmed your ass getting whooped. You filmed your friend getting whooped, and then you tried to intervene, okay? After you saw that girl got slammed on her neck, you sat there and thought you was going to trying to be a good friend. You still thought you still thought that this could all turn around for you. And it didn't. You got your ass whooped. The internet, I tell you, every day, there's something new on here.
Get burned up at the gas station down at Westmoreland. What make you no out fire? It's not one girl should have did get burned up. I did the 2 girl them fi get burned up and set ablaze. Why you go there go hot fire for? You should have never hot fire enough to make the girl them burn. Make it fire go and blaze. If fire did supposed to blaze till all I know when you look appear dust. Because me can't understand how you can get up and take yourself if you take set pan people pitney. You beat the girl what day. You go back and terrorize the girl. You walk go until you reach you left on the yard. And this girl they are workplace. And you pop up at the girl workplace. Go there, tabar in her face. The two sisters gang the girl and start to want to beat the girl once again. And then the girl never do a better thing. The girl fed up on and catch one on fire. And never should have one should have get catch a fire. The two should have burn up. And right now the people them hot the next girl and hot her. One hot the fire for. One hot the fire for. Tell me, one hot the fire. One hot the fire. You know what burn me? I how me see all this, the sister, she come here, come back, but you need 50,000 US and you want to save her life. So tell me something. What happened to the victim that is in custody? She don't need some kind of lawyer fee. Make sure you people are fine if you don't ever take up on yourself and say not donate 1 cent to this girl. Well, if Harley away from her yard, go to another woman workplace to take her life and them members of them beat up the girl before and they still not satisfied because they want to prove say them a bad bully and them a bull buck and dumpy cankerer and see the girl catch one of them a fire. Uno come boss and uno come back liar fear. We don't take people money for. I never one of uno should have catch a fire. Miss Harris said anybody two and uno miss her run up and down full of fire right out there. So meanwhile me I say people if uno go give to she make sure you know say the girl that is in custody that had to defend herself to save her life and did what she had to do. We need to see a GoFundMe for she too. So she needs some support and we need to know which jail or she the lock up so we can go send her things and visit her. And we hope the justice system and the judge and everybody see this case and see the situation and look at it just like how we out here looking at it as well. We need some justice for her too. So I know we don't know if we get a red cent. We don't have the nerve and have the heart.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
I hear everything want go on. 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, 10 side, and everybody side. Now, my viewers and subscribers, like Gracie, they went to this woman's job, this lady is a gas station attendant. But before that happened, there been problems. There been lot of problems between these people. Furthermore, they say man is involved. Them say it happened before, right around Melissa, this lady, come out of the line, go up, want to get gas before everybody else. And the victim said, no, can't work. Step in a line. So the problem start. However, the problem start before that with man. Come on now, ladies. Why every day you get up a fight and a lose in a life over man? There is many man out there. Better, good, better, best man out there. Cut it out, man. Cut it out. Don't lose your life or lose your freedom over a man. And when you lose your life or your freedom, guess what the man are going to do? Find another woman, maybe find 10 more. So stop it. Anyway, I see a lot of things that go on. And I want to talk to my fellow Jamaicans. One thing when I see go on is people stop. People report to GoFundMe, and GoFundMe took away the money from those people, from the lady who is in jail, who did the burning. Let me say this to you all. Stop those kind of dirty style. If you are not the one who is giving the money, don't report it. Don't say nothing. Then again, I see some people, I say, the lady who get burned shouldn't get any help. However, I don't believe that. I believe that she should get help. So that means she can live to tell the tale about bullying, about what she got for bullying this young lady. I believe that the lady who is in lockup, I think she get bail. Yeah, there was think that she get bail. Oh yeah, I'll go post everything. I think she get bail. However, she get cut too. She was stabbed and she need money for lawyers. She need money because it's self-defense. She was at her job, just like Gracie. She was at her job, and the report is that she was at her job. The people came at her job, troubling her. The manager for the job tell that lady to leave. That lady didn't do nothing more than leave and come back with backup. Now, when you come back with backup, that simply means you're not scared, you're ready for war. So what this young lady have to do is two things she can do. She can run for her life. Run for her life. Listen what I'm saying now. She could have run for her life, which there's two people, they're going to catch her. Or she defend herself, which she did. So, to be honest with you, her lawyer sounds like a very fair and good lawyer, and I go tell you the truth. The only thing I am hoping for is for that lady not to lose her life, because that's a different case. Self-defense is a different case. Losing her life can be also a different case. So I hope she don't lose her life. However, I hope she come through. I hope she get the money that she need to go overseas and get set up and fix up. But guys, let us talk about this. I listened to the lady who got burned, sister. I listened to the lady who got burned, mother. Not mother, daughter. I listened to the lady who got burned, boyfriend. And oh, Lord Jesus, have mercy. She is one of the best individual on this planet called Earth. She give no trouble. She's so loving. She's so caring. But that's not what I've been hearing. Yeah? You've been hearing a lot of things. You hear that it's been happening for a while, and you hear all those things. So, you know, just as when you die, people say you're the best person, you never give trouble. But my question is, why and where were all of you when all this was happening? Where were you when this lady was been pressured? Where are you all when this lady was being beat up? This lady could not be walking on the road in peace. Let me say this to you guys. Bullying, bullyism, controlling, manipulation, abuse need to stop. It have no place in our island home. It shouldn't have no place in the world. Because at the end of the day, we all are one person looking, searching for the same thing. We're looking for money, we're looking for love, we're looking for good life, we want a good life. But yet still, you come out and you do all sort of mother of evil. And then, when people turn and evil turn on you, then that's the time you cry for wolf. That's the time you cry. Listen to me what I'm saying to you all. This lady don't just get up and pour gasoline on this lady and light the fire. No. She just did not get up and do that just like that. She was provoked. She was provoked by another female. She have to defend herself. Did you see the video of how that lady was running when the fire hit her body? Can you imagine what she was saying within in her head when the fire hit her body? I know you all cannot imagine what she was saying. I am not going to try to imagine what she was saying when that fire hit her body. Can you imagine to see a person using a fire extinguisher to hold a human body because it is on fire? because what? She go and provoke somebody else. We all have to take these things in consideration. We all have to put these things in where we have to stand up and say to ourselves, wrong is wrong and two wrong will not make one right. No, it won't work. You imagine you are a human being. You're living your life. You're having a wonderful time. However, because of other people, you cannot able to live and feel comfortable and feel free within yourself because of somebody bullying you. Somebody want to beat you up whenever time they feel. They want to hit you whenever time they feel. They want to talk to you how they feel like talk to you whenever time they feel. It is not right. And listen good now, I am not taking any side. I'm just pointing out the fact that the lady went to the lady job. She was working her honest money. Apparently, she was working there before too. And she was the one who was causing all of them to be losing money because she was making the mistakes. And the gas pump, who knows what she was doing? Some of you as unsubscribers, stop report these people so that they cannot get their money. Allow these people to get help from people around the world who want to help them. And I'll go say this. Allow this lady to get some help with her burn on her body. We want her to live, to face life, and to realize every time she look on herself, she realize what bullying have done to her. That's the reason why we don't want her to die. No, I hope nobody wants her to pass away. I would love if she lived to see another day. Because if she lives to see another day, it will be a better day for everybody. Because guess what? Now you all will realize that bullying is not something that you should take up and do to people, because bullying is not good. Bullying is dangerous. Stop bullying people. Pitney, stop bullying big folks. Stop bullying. Stop abuse. Stop mental abuse, physical abuse. Stop it, man. It's full time now. We put these things. We have the other day a young guy, a young Jamaican guy, gone to the United States to make life for himself, to better himself, 23 years old. And he lose his life because of abuse, control, manipulation. He's in a relationship with a woman, and the woman believed that she is with another woman, and for that, she decided to take his life. Listen to me. None of us here blow breath. We cannot blow breath. Why are you trying to take other people's breath? Why are you trying to take a life when you cannot make life? Why? My viewers and subscribers, it's getting from bad to worse. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, there's a lot of information out there about this situation. Whatever you can find, whatever you can listen to, listen and just try to help somebody. And listen to me, friends and families. If you have a friend and you see your friend is going in the wrong direction, pull back your friend. Tell your friend that, friend, this is not the right way. Don't follow the friend and don't help the friend to go to do something that is going to haunt you and the friend. Because right now, that lady who the friend go for, now she's in jail and her friend is in the ICU, the burn center in Kingston, Jamaica, hoping to get some help to go overseas. So now you in jail, your friend is in hospital. You may not see your friend again. You will not be seeing her the way you used to see her. Come on, man. Come on, man. Think before you act. They have a song for say, walk away from trouble if you can. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Yeah, man. You can sing it any way you want to sing it. Walk away. You walk away today, you live to see tomorrow. You can talk about it tomorrow. You don't have to talk about it today when the heat and the body and the blood are boiled. Walk away. Walk away. If she did walk away and don't come back, today's date she would be normal. But she come back with vengeance. That's the problem, and that's the reason why self-defense is the order of the day. You go away and come back with somebody, with ammunition, with knife and acid. So you come to inflict wound and to throw acid, and instead of you inflict and throw, you get what you come to deliver. Now you see what I'm saying? Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. Nothing wrong with the world. It's just the peoples that in it. My viewers and subscribers, have a wonderful and a beautiful, productive day. This is Real Talk, Rodney's Real Talk Lifestyle TV. Yeah, man, it's going to sit up here. Yeah, man, anyway, me Real Talk massive. Big up on yourself, big up on your stomach. Have a nice time. I don't know, me I come to you in our living room, in our bedroom, in all kind of room in the house with all kind of information. Information is what me is coming at your way. So, stay good, walk good. I'm out. Chat about.